Humanity is a paradox. We reach for the heavens, yet fall into darkness. Our history reflects this duality, masterpieces of art alongside atrocities that haunt us. The Middle Ages silenced thinkers under the guise of religious purity. New ideas, branded as heresy, were met with torture and suppression, dimming the light of progress. The black slave trade stripped millions of their freedom and humanity. It wasn't just a crime, it shaped societies, leaving scars that endure today. The Holocaust revealed the horrors of unchecked hatred. 6 million Jews, along with countless others, were victims of an industrialized machine of death. The Mongols reshaped nations through trade and terror. Their conquests left millions dead and civilizations in ruins. The Spanish Inquisition enforced faith with fear. It was a time of relentless persecution, silencing dissent through brutal means. In 1994, Rwanda witnessed one of history's fastest genocides. Nearly 1 million lives were lost, driven by hatred and division. The Armenian Genocide uprooted generations, leaving a profound, often overlooked mark on history. The Trail of Tears forced thousands from their lands. Many perished, victims of greed and disregard for human life. The Cambodian Genocide wiped out 1/4 of its population, a chilling reminder of how deeply human brutality can run. History's echoes reveal our capacity for brilliance and destruction. The choice to learn or repeat these horrors lies in our hands. If these stories moved you, share this video. Together we can ensure these lessons are never forgotten.